chances are some of your students are already on TikTok. And some of them may even be learning STEM there without realizing it. But how can teachers use it too? And how do you make sure that the content they find is actually reliable? Joining Scientix TV today is Nicoletta Lidaki-Simantiri from TikTok. She will tell us more about what the platform offers educators and students in STEM. Hi Nicoletta! Perhaps many users don't know, but TikTok has a dedicated STEM feed. What can teachers and students actually find there? And how can educators make the most of the platform in their teaching?
Thank you, Luigi, for having me. And I'm happy to explain what the TikTok STEM feed is. So TikTok's dedicated STEM feed is designed to spark curiosity, make complex ideas easier to understand, and help people see themselves in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. By bringing educational content into one place, it supports discovery, learning, and inspiration. The STEM feed is located right at the top of the TikTok app, just to the left of the For You feed. The STEM feed is turned on by default for all teenagers globally. However, any user can easily turn it on manually. All you have to do is navigate to your profile, open Settings and Privacy, click on Content Preferences, and turn on the STEM feed. Another way to discover STEM content on TikTok is with the use of the hashtag STEMTalk. Students can find everything from quick and safe at-home physics experiments to math hacks, and stories from professionals working in space exploration or green tech. For teachers, it serves as an incredible classroom resource. What truly sets this feed apart is the strict educational value required from its creators. Their videos have to provide a complete lesson that leaves viewers fully informed, ensuring the content has a clearly stated learning objective. To maintain this high standard, every single video undergoes a rigorous review process. The impact of this educational space speaks for itself. 1 in 4 teens globally uses the STEM feed every single week. It has become a vibrant community where genuine learning and discovery are actively flourishing.
That sounds great, Nicoletta. And also, you have partnered with Scientix to support the STEM Discovery Campaign 2026, reaching an overall engagement of 1 million participants. What does this partnership say about TikTok's commitment to support STEM education?
For us, this partnership reflects TikTok's strong commitment to supporting the education community in meaningful and practical ways. As part of the campaign, we joined a training webinar to support participants in understanding how to create engaging, content-rich, and safe online submissions. And we shared ideas on how digital tools and creative formats can make STEM content more accessible and inspiring. To inspire participants, we also highlighted STEM creators on TikTok, including teachers, scientists, and academics. In addition, we were proud to support the Scientix Science in Action Award, which celebrates hands-on innovative STEM teaching, as well as the creation of a fun science-themed video and science demonstration to share with the world. More broadly, this partnership shows that TikTok can be a constructive partner for educators by helping amplify high-quality learning content, promote media literacy, and inspire more young people to explore STEM subjects and careers in a safe and age-appropriate digital environment.
Thank you, Nicoletta. We're also thrilled to congratulate all the winners of the STEM Discovery Campaign 2026 and the Scientix Science in Action Award. Follow Scientix so you won't miss other STEM opportunities.
Today on Scientix TV, we're very excited to congratulate all the winners of the 2026 Scientix Awards. The Scientix Awards in 2026 were made possible thanks to the Scientix STEM Alliance industry members and the support of the EU-funded Scientix partner projects. This year, there were 23 different Scientix Awards, split into 6 categories. The workshops were hosted in the Future Classroom Lab in Brussels, where the winners picked up their awards during the Scientix Awards ceremony. The Scientix Awards for Arts and Culture rewarded teachers who brought STEM together with arts and culture, showing the value of this connection in their classrooms. The Scientix Awards for Environmental Sustainability showcased educators' sustainability expertise across areas like ocean and soil literacy, nature-based solutions, circularity principles, and the creative reuse of waste materials. The Scientix Awards for Research and Careers celebrated teachers who highlighted STEM careers for their students, focusing on the professional knowledge and skills that build the future's workforce. The Scientix Awards for Technology recognized educators preparing students for a digital, technology-driven future, spotlighting AI literacy and safe AI use, inclusive informatics education, and collaboration through technology. The Scientix Whole School Awards applauded schools taking a whole school approach to STEM, recognizing those who achieved the STEM school label or completed one of the Scientix collection focuses. And finally, the Scientix Community Awards recognize the community at the heart of science. We rewarded teachers who wrote clear entries, supported and contributed to others' STEM activities, and submitted with real enthusiasm and reached large audiences. And also organizations who submitted entries in their own name, and teachers who helped shape their school's STEM strategy. So what does this prize look like? Scientix wants to give you a tour of what participants get to do when they visit the Future Classroom Lab in Brussels. During the Science Projects Workshop, winners attended talks and hands-on sessions covering key topics in STEM education today. They explored sustainability, citizen science, inclusive teaching, the safe use of AI, and more. They also got to know the Scientix repository and the Scientix collections better, discovered and played with EdTech in the Future Classroom Lab, and reflected on how to bring STEM to every learner at every age. With the dynamic and flexible layout of the Future Classroom Lab, teachers from all over Europe and beyond got to exchange ideas and practices, create group work presentations, and build networking connections with fellow educators just as passionate about STEM as they are. It's the mix of hands-on discovery and exchange that makes the science project workshops such a unique experience. We had a great time welcoming teachers to the Future Classroom Lab, and these workshops remind us of all the work our community does, inspiring us once again with their commitment to improving STEM education. But let's hear what their experience was like.
I do enjoy the workshop. It's a very good opportunity, thanks to Scientix, to come here, and especially the group work that you work on the same goal to create something new. And this teamwork gives you a lot of opportunities for becoming a better person.
I know that these 2 days here is for a lot of inspiration, because a lot of ideas coming to me into my mind, and what maybe I can do with my students the next school year.
The workshop has been really a great way to network with other teachers, and one of the things that has been the most useful for me is being inspired by the other teachers and what they're doing, and each one is bringing with them a background full of tons of learning experiences and things that they can share to help others grow. So that's been one of the things that I've really benefited the most from.
I'm having a really good time at the workshop. I like collaboration in groups, working in groups with colleagues I haven't met before, and particularly looking at the resources that are available on the STEM repository in Scientix.
I really enjoy discussing and interacting with like-minded educators.
To be here for me is like a present at the end of the school year, and I'm learning so many projects and so many new things to teach next year.
I'm really enjoying the collaboration with colleagues all over Europe, because it's a nice opportunity to be in the same space and time and share some experiences with them. Because it's one thing to know things about your country, and another thing to share your experiences and also listen to what other colleagues all over Europe have to say about their own experiences.
I really enjoy every time I come to the Future Classroom Lab because I have the opportunity to learn about very interesting projects and initiatives that the European Schoolnet is implementing.
Especially in the workshops, I like the people. I like the relations, the connections we can start with the colleagues. You meet very interesting people.
I believe it's amazing that I can take all the ideas from them and bring to my own classroom and as well to my school to share with my colleagues.
And that's a wrap on the 2026 Science Projects Workshop in the Future Classroom Lab. Sounds fun, right? If you would like to get a chance to participate next year, start thinking about your activities for the 2027 STEM Discovery Campaign. A huge thank you to all the teachers that participated in the 2026 STEM Discovery Campaign and helped us reach 1 million participants. Now go enjoy the summer, take a well-deserved break, and keep watching Scientix TV.